there, I'm Yolanda Sellis coming to you today on my channel Y Energy to once again go over how to do an ab vacuum for, if necessary, strengthening your lower abs, your obliques, and this is also supposed to be good for your back. And as I said in the last video that I did when I was having the worst day in a long time, this is a really good one to do. I was trying this one before and I didn't do it right, which is why I'm doing this one again. This is a good one. I've been testing it, and so far I think I've lost a couple of inches. I don't really know for sure, but I have lost like almost 9 pounds, not just from this, also from drinking apple cider vinegar. That's a longer story, but I've been doing apple cider vinegar about a tablespoon every night with about 8 ounces of V8. But this is helpful too, so I just want to show you guys how to do this because this is also good for your back, I believe. I believe this strengthens the muscles down here. Let me just back up a little bit. These muscles, which I believe are the internal obliques, this is what we're going for, and this is where you should feel the burn or the pain, or to me it feels like a buzzing sensation. So I'm just gonna back up. Actually, let me lift this up a little bit so you can see and hear me. So what you want to do is you want to breathe in and then breathe out and let all the air out. And if you want to feel where the breath is coming out of, put your hands here and breathe out. Breathe out completely. Empty out as much air as you can, and then suck this part of your belly in as much as you can, as hard as you can. Keep sucking it up until you feel something here and here. It's hard to talk while doing this, hard to talk and suck this in so hard. And then hold this for at least 3 seconds. This is uncomfortable. And if you want to add to this, as if this isn't enough by itself, you can put your hands together and slowly turn from side to side. One other thing, I'm going to keep this sucked in just for a moment. I don't have a weight on me. I wish I did. You can also hold 2 weights, like 2 light weights or 1 low weight, and just hold it this way. Keep it sucked in and do the side to side very, very slowly. And then you can let it go and you'll let that belly come out. And do that a couple of times. I'd say at least 2 times a day, several days a week if you can. That is the ab vacuum that everyone keeps talking about right now. And I remember when I first heard it thinking it sounded silly, but it really does help. It's helped me. It's worked for me. I don't know if it's helping my back, but it's definitely helping my lower abs, which I'm really trying to target. So anyway, I hope that was helpful. If it was, let me know down below. Share it with anyone you think it might help. And as always, I thank you so much for your time and for your visit. And I hope you'll be back to see me again. Namaste. Cheers. Thanks again for your time. Bye-bye.